how to set up shipping on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's examine and show you how you will be able to ensure that the shipping on your TikTok Shop is properly set up. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on settings on the bottom right. And over here, you're going to navigate to the warehouse address. Now, this is very important when it comes to shipping because this is where the person who is going to get the product from or the product from you is going to base on. So we have the warehouse and pickup address. This is where the delivery person will get the product from. And then the return address, which is going to be the same thing. So this is what the delivery service will need this information for shipping on your TikTok shop. And of course, when delivering, it will now come from the customer. So this is the only thing that you're going to need to have properly set up on your side as the seller. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.